Yung topi.
Cute naman.
Ang galing.
Oy, ang ganda.
Hello guys! Hey, Rodgey here. Today, I'm going to show you something really special, and I got this really cool action figure from Elmer Padilla, also known as Boy Chinela. He is a Filipino toy artist, and he creates action figures and toys out of recycled flip-flops or discarded slippers. I mean, how cool is that? And this is the very first action figure of my original character and persona, well, a small version of myself, Rodgey. So this figure stands about 13 inches tall and is not really posable or articulated. It's more like a statue kind of action figure, but it's not a big deal. It's really nice. I mean, this is really something, you know. There are Hollywood celebrities who knows Elmer Padilla, like Chris Hemsworth, Mark Ruffalo, and many more here from the Philippines. I am really happy and very pleased to have this awesome action figure created by a Filipino toy artist. So thank you so much, Elmer, for making a mini version of me. I really appreciate it. I love it. Thank you so much. This is another addition to my collection. And guys, if you wanna watch videos about Elmer Padilla, just click Elmer Padilla or Elmer Padilla Boy Chinelas on YouTube, so you can see and watch all of these videos about him. So that's it for today's episode. Hope you guys love watching this video, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye!
Video ka, Jen. Ako photo. 1, 2, 3. Aba!
Aba!
Ang galing.